Hello and welcome to Raylands. Today I've got the pleasure of showing you around this beautiful California SE. It's just arrived with us. This is the top spec model. Registration is Delta Alpha 62 Zulu Charlie Victor. It's 140 horsepower, manual gearbox, exactly as it left the factory. It's got some lovely options on it. One of the first features I'm going to show you is the electronic roof. So this roof can be opened and closed fully electronically by simply pushing a button, which we can see now. I'm just demonstrating that for you now as it's going up. So as we can see, the roof is raising. This is all done by simply pushing a button. It's an absolutely fantastic condition, this van. So there we go, roof is up. So let's take a look around. So at the front of the vehicle we can see we've got front parking sensors as well as front fog lights. Features alloy wheels, 17 inches. So the van is now set up into what we refer to at Raylands as day mode. So as we've just seen, the roof is up, the awning is out, our table and chairs are all set up. So if we take a closer look, so these chairs in fact fold away inside the tailgate. I'll show you where they go later in the video. Table folds away and goes inside this sliding door here. Beautiful reflection to the paintwork. It's been extremely well cared for. Captain's chairs are turned round. So let's jump inside and have a closer look. It's got loads of glass here, giving us really nice opportunity to sit here and relax and dine, socialise with our fellow passengers. You can imagine sitting somewhere like here at Rayland Car Sales today, looking across South Somerset. Absolutely stunning view. Roof's in fantastic order as well. So we've got a nice deep fridge. We've got the basket as well. Just close that a second. And if we pop this top here, we can see we've got a twin gas hob burner. And we also got our sink, as we've got an onboard water tank. Front seats are in absolutely fantastic order as well, as you can see there. We'll turn those round later in the video so we can have a look inside the front cab and the controls. Ample storage underneath there, underneath those sliding doors. Got some nice storage pockets here as well on the bottom of the seat. Just one more feature to show you inside the van. Again, a very, very rare option. We have an onboard safe, which we can see there. Nicely hidden away where we can put our valuables or cash or passports or anything. So we'll get the van set up now into sleeping mode. So take a look at the rear. We can see we've got rear parking sensors, bike rack as well. As I said, paintwork's absolutely fabulous all the way around. So here we find our hookup for our campsite. We also find our lockable storage tank area for our water. As I said, paintwork's absolutely stunning. Even though it's a dull day here today, fantastic reflection there to the paint. Just share with you our view again just while we're setting up. Also worth mentioning, this vehicle comes with multiple keys, as well as the all-important heater key, which I'll show you later. As I said, the roof's in fantastic order as well. Show you down through the sides there again. across the rear. So we're now all set up for sleeping. Shows you how quickly that can be done. Bed's all flat, nice comfortable area at the bottom here. We've got a few of the blinds down just to show you what it's like with the blinds down. They go all the way around. I'll just quickly show you up top as well. So you simply pull this down, very easy. We've got our upstairs area here as well. Got some nice lighting up here. We also got zip opening window points there. We've got 3 in fact all the way around. As I said, we've got, just show you here, all the keys for our storage tank, keys for our safe, heater key. We simply push that button there and it turns the heater on. Just jump in the front. So as you can see, we are very low mileage, only 57,768 miles. That's 57,768. Just start the van a second. So we've got a little warning there, just let us know that our roof is open, which we can see there. So we'll just push that to acknowledge that. So obviously we've got the roof up, as we've just shown you. So this is our onboard management system. This is where we operate our roof. We can also turn our auxiliary heater on here as well. We can also turn our fridge box on and off. We've got Bluetooth on board as well, radio CD. We also have, which I'll just show you there, we've got our park monitoring there as well. So we've got a visual as well as an audio display. Air conditioning, lovely heated front seats, 3-stage. As I said, manual gearbox, 6-speed. As you can also see there, there's no warning lights illuminated whatsoever. Driven a vehicle myself, drives absolutely superb. There's a little seatbelt light there. That's because we're not wearing a seatbelt, as we're not driving. Also through there, we can see we've got cruise control. We also have electric windows, electric folding mirrors as well that are heated. You also may have noticed we've got 12-month AA breakdown cover with this vehicle as well, completely free standard. That's because we're proud to say we're an AA dealer promise dealer here at Rayland Car Sales. This van is also supplied with a new cambout and water pump as well for the cambout water pump service. Absolutely stunning California SE. If you'd like to purchase or view, feel free, give us a call on 01460 312923. That's 01460 312923. We do view by appointment, so feel free, give us a call or view our website raylandcarsales.co.uk. Hope you enjoyed watching our video and we'll see you soon.